Veterinary medicine is a very rewarding, it is a great career. I think it's the best job ever. We get to see, great clients, great animals. We've got a great team to work with. It's a fun job. It's challenging, but it's fun and it's very rewarding. I'd recommend people look into it. It's a great job.
The vet tech's role is pretty much you're the lab tech, the x-ray tech, the dental hygienist, a nurse, all in one. I think to be a good vet tech, you need to be obviously caring and empathetic. You do have to like animals, but you also really have to want to learn and do the best you can for your patients, and it is constant learning to be better.
What a veterinary assistant is basically all the jobs you could imagine in a vet clinic in one. So they actually call us multitasking ninjas because we do everything. We get to do holding animals and cleaning, and we do a little reception work. We get to do large animal calls. We get to do it all. Veterinary assistant is a tough job, but it's a rewarding job because you get to help everyone in the office, vets, techs, and receptionists. You get a really great variety in a day. You're not really ever doing the same thing, and your day never looks the same. So it's a really cool thing about it.
I've always been drawn to animals and been drawn to helping animals. I grew up on a farm that had cattle, pigs, chickens, dogs, and cats. So being, immersed in animals was always a thing for me. So going into an animal field just seemed like a natural fit. Having our local veterinarian come to our place when we had cattle emergencies was inspiring to me, and it solidified my decision to go into some sort of animal field. My job is to provide veterinary services to injured or ill animals that require medical or surgical treatment. I can provide preventative care medicine for them as well, so that we can prevent disease from actually occurring. This can be through vaccinations, deworming, nutritional recommendations, or behavioral lifestyle changes that can lead to a longer, healthy life for them.
For what I love about being a vet tech is I really like the hard medical cases. I like the hospitalized patients, doing the diagnostics to figure out what's going on, sending pets home after being hospitalized for numerous days. I also like emergencies. That's kind of an unpopular opinion. I like running fast to save a pet's life, and I like the science behind the different diagnoses. So there are soft skills involved in being a tech. A lot of people think it is just about the pets and cuddling the pets, but there's a lot more than that. You have to work, obviously, the pets come with clients, and being able to communicate and do some client education with their owners, as well as it's team. We have so many different aspects to keep the clinic running, and communication's a really important part of the job.
People that are good for the veterinary profession are people that are interested in science, but also interested in helping people and animals. You do have to have compassion and empathy to be in this profession. You need to like the animals, but you need to really be interested in helping the people that are attached to those animals too. It can be quite an emotional industry for us to deal with. There's not always the good, happy things like vaccinating puppies and kittens. There's the darker side of treating untreatable disease or trying to treat untreatable diseases, euthanasia. So I would say we rely on each other a lot. We use each other's strengths to talk to each other and support each other during difficult times.
I really love the variety I get every day. I love that one day I'll come in and it might just be some vaccines, puppies, kitties, that stuff. The next day, I'm helping pull a calf out of a cow. So the variety is huge, and I love that. I love walking into work and not really knowing what the day is gonna bring. It's kind of just like, well, be ready for whatever comes, and that's really great, and I like that a lot.
I love the challenge of solving problems. Animals can't tell us what is wrong or where to look, so it's my job to investigate and to find out what's going on and make treatment plans for them. When I create a treatment plan and I see it work and the animal gets better, that's the rewarding part. The animal's healthy, the owner's happy, and I'm happy. It's a great ending.